Read the instructions carefully. This is very important, as you could lose marks if you misunderstand the instructions. Start with the easy questions first. This will help you build your confidence and momentum. Mark the questions that you are unsure of and come back to them later. Don't waste time trying to answer a question that you don't know the answer to. Manage your time wisely. Don't spend too much time on any one question. Stay calm and focused. This is important, as you don't want to make careless mistakes. Here are some additional tips that you may find helpful. Read the question carefully and identify the keywords. This will help you understand what the question is asking. Use elimination to rule out the wrong answers. This can be a helpful strategy, especially if you are unsure of the answer to a question. Jot down notes or draw diagrams to help you answer the questions. This can be a helpful way to organize your thoughts and visualize the problem. If you are stuck on a question, take a break and come back to it later. Sometimes, a fresh perspective can help you see the answer. Don't panic. It is natural to feel some anxiety before the TSPSC Group 4 exam. However, it is important to stay calm and focused. Panicking will only make it harder to do your best.